Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Chris. Today we are going to be testing out the Injen cold air intake for the ECODIESEL. Yeah, pretty cool, right? Little brake torque. So we're gonna get cruising around. But here we are, one of my favorite roads. It's a little pole line road. I used to ride my KTM 450 up and down this bad boy years ago. But, oh man, this is really such a cool road. Obviously this Jeep was designed for a variety of things, and really it's a Mercedes with a Jeep body. Let's be completely honest with ourselves. But yeah, enough about that. Really, this intake really makes this, truck come alive. You get some nice whistle sounds out of it. I think it's awesome. Oh man, so my biggest complaint too, guys, with the Quadra Lift, the rear bags they're not bad, except the shocks are horrible. So what I need to do is replace those rear shocks for now with like Bilstein 5100s, just so it's not so soggy back there. It is crazy like floaty, and not in a good way. Well, I'm not talking like long travel floaty. This is bad news, but it is what it is. And I used to off-road for years, so I'm just gonna drive the vehicle within its limits. Plus, right now this is my dad wagon, so I don't want to mess it up. However, here in normal ride height, its suspension travel is doing pretty decent for an airbagged car. Kind of get on it. See, really, I just want to mob down this road, and this would be so much fun once I get those King shocks on here with the external dampeners. That's going to be awesome. I really can't wait. And some larger tires too would really make a big difference. Oh, and that was just a road, y'all. You see, that's so bad. Literally probably the first person to do a vlog on pre-running your Quadra Lift. But you know what, I feel like there's some potential here on this platform. I've always thought to do something a little different, and that's what we're gonna end up doing this time. Kind of disappointed that the high altitude doesn't have the Quadra drive too, but Quadra track, so I don't have the locker, which is kind of a bummer, to be completely honest. Probably should have just done my research, except I prefer the look of the altitude as far as the SRT style fenders and everything being blacked out, etc., the headlights and the sound system. So Trail Hawk was kind of not something I was looking at, but probably should have considered. Man, you can really hear that when I let off the throttle. You guys, this is this is fun for sure. I do miss this a lot. Oh man. This vehicle is definitely not intended for this kind of stuff, but it's a lot of fun. So yeah, guys, just some other things now that we're cruising out here. I've got some more videos coming up, kind of partnered with Black Ops, and got the Trackhawk rear sway bar on deck ready to go on. Actually have the front SRT Trackhawk sway bar on right now, which we'll be reviewing in another video, and it does feel awesome out here, and especially on the road it feels a lot more confident, because I'm just, like I said, I'm a huge proponent of saying that Quadra Lift is mildly dangerous on the highway because it is just so soggy. Hence why you all seen that infamous moose test where the Grand Cherokee was loaded down and popped the tire in an evasive, you know, emergency maneuver. And part of that is the suspension I feel on that was Quadra Lift. It was definitely an Overland, I believe. Whew. Surprised I haven't got the suspension overheating warning yet. Woo! God, the diesel's got torque for days, y'all. This is way more fun to drive than the Hemi. Way more fun. I can't even imagine driving a V6 at this point, y'all. The Hemi is a really cool platform also, except you do not get this crazy instant torque that the diesel's got with the turbo. It's another, just a whole nother vibe, and it feels awesome. And it sounds incredible, honestly. I love it. I love the sound. Yay! Oh man. Yeah, those rear shocks are bottoming out this whole time, and we're not even in the lifted mode. Whew. Wow. Yeah, I feel like that sway bar, like I was saying, the Trackhawk one, when I get that on in the rear, it's gonna feel a lot more planted with a lot of this lateral movements going on, and I think that's gonna make a huge difference in handling, and especially in this type of environment. You know, I just mess around here so you guys can hear this. Just sounds within the cab. Super cool. Also, that's the baffle delete you're slightly hearing, I'm sure, as well. Eventually want to be replacing that with the K&N pipe that replaces that whole baffle section. Let's get on it here. Here, let's get a little launch going. This thing is really quick to 40, and that's about it, because now it's pegged. It's so slow. That's topped out, you guys. I feel like we definitely need a tune. Can't even hit 120. The Hemi is definitely a lot quicker, highway speeds, and we'll get up to 120 no problem. The diesel really shines in gas mileage, you know, instant off the line torque, and really, like, I feel like once you're off-roading, there's so many scenarios where it just makes more sense to have the diesel. You really have to, more throttle control, less, you know, less input, the torque. Well, I'm in aero mode right now, so I don't know about this. Let's kind of pump that up, aero and sport. Jeez, that's... But yeah, so far, y'all, I do love this platform, and I'm really, really excited to have a build going with it again. And it's great to be part of the Jeep community, guys. Follow me on Instagram at _vibesaf. You'll find me there. I'll follow you all back. I'm really trying to get a lot more Jeep content, Jeep community built up on my following. So hit me up there. And yeah, guys, please subscribe down below. Hit the little bell notifications so you get notified when my new videos come out. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.